Another interesting concept associated with a Type 5 civilization is multiverse engineering. This civilization may have the ability to create, manipulate, or travel between multiple universes with different physical laws or constants. This may include creating bubble universes, each with their own unique properties and rules. The idea of manipulating quantum reality is also interesting. A Type 5 civilization could control quantum fields and dimensions to such an extent that they could alter or create entire realities. They could develop cosmic algorithms that reshape the fundamental nature of time and space or create new universes. Hyperdimensional travel may also be possible. This civilization could move between different dimensions or planes of existence beyond three-dimensional space and time. This would allow them to explore or exploit realms of existence that are completely outside our current understanding. In addition, a Type 5 civilization could use energy sources beyond the boundaries of the universe we know, such as cosmic strings, or remnants of the Big Bang. This civilization could also develop technologies that would affect the fundamental constants of nature, such as the speed of light or gravity, thus completely controlling the fabric of reality. This level of advancement would mean that a Type 5 civilization would have almost unlimited creative power. They could not only shape their own universes, but could also create or control multiple universes or dimensions. This is a form of existence that encompasses everything, exists between multiple universes, and can control all possibilities. To my readers who have watched Lucy, the scene where Lucy reaches 100% of her brain capacity and says, "I am everywhere," could be a reference to this level of civilization, that is, the existence of a multiverse. A Type 6 or multidimensional civilization on the Kardashev scale would have the power to control and manipulate multiple universes beyond a single universe. An interesting concept, multiverse synthesis, states that this civilization can create and combine multiple universes to create complex realities with brand new physical laws and constants. This may involve constructing different cosmic structures and experimenting with fundamental forces to observe or use various forms of existence. A Type 6 civilization can also create a cosmic web by harmonizing the physical laws and constants between multiple universes. This cosmic harmonization process means the ability to fine-tune the interactions between different universes to synchronize large-scale events or precisely control events at the multiverse level. Another fascinating theory is cosmic resurrection. This civilization can use the energies left over from collapsed or destroyed universes to revive or evolve universes that have ceased to exist. In this way, they can reshape dead or dying universes and give them new forms. A Type 6 civilization can also manipulate time on a multiverse scale, controlling or changing the flow of time in different universes. They can create time loops, synchronize events between universes, or construct new time dimensions that are independent of traditional time laws. In addition, they can develop trans-universal communication methods that are capable of transmitting information or creating effects in multiple universes simultaneously. This could include using quantum entanglement in the multiverse or inventing entirely new forms of communication that transcend the traditional boundaries of spacetime. A Type 7 civilization on the Kardashev scale represents a level of development where the distinction between civilization and existence has completely disappeared. At this stage, the civilization's control and influence extends beyond all universes and multiverses, encompassing the nature of reality and existence itself. The transition from Type 6 to Type 7 is often seen as impossible or pointless, because Type 7 is not simply a civilization that manipulates multiple realities, but rather the very structure of existence itself. A Type 7 civilization is not only the master of all universes and multiverses, but also the embodiment of the principles and forces that underlie existence. This civilization does not operate within or above one reality, but is part of the fundamental reality that defines and creates all possible forms of existence. Therefore, a Type 7 civilization is defined by its nature, not by its technology or methods. It transcends all material and spiritual concepts, representing a form of existence beyond human understanding. For this reason, it becomes meaningless to speak of a development beyond Type 7. Because this civilization becomes synonymous with existence itself, and the concept of further progress or transformation no longer holds true.